as online tutorials. Today I am going to tell you how to prove the De Morgan's theorem using the truth table. In my previous video I had explained how to prove the De Morgan's theorem algebraically. So this may come for 3 marks. They specifically ask you state and prove De Morgan's theorem using the truth table. So let us begin our lesson today. Okay, so De Morgan's theorem using truth table. So you can see here, these are the two theorems. First theorem states that x plus y the whole complement is equal to x complement and y complement, and the second theorem states that x and y the whole complement is equal to x complement plus y complement. Please be thorough with these two theorems, the statements. Okay, if you're thorough with this, then we can start with our writing the truth table. So for proving these truth table, you can see very clearly that only the complement rule, that is the basic gates and, or, and not, should be used. So become thorough with the basic gates. The basic gates are your or, and not gates. So here, if you see, I have written the truth table for this. Okay, so the basic gates that we have are not gate, and gate, and or gate. So the NOT gate is nothing but the complement gate, which is also known as the inverter gate. So we have A and A complement. So in Boolean algebra, only two values can be taken, 0 and 1. So for a NOT gate, when the value is 0, you get 1, and when it is 1, it is 0. And for an AND gate, you should remember, in an AND gate, you are using the dot operator. Okay, it is not a multiplication operator, it's a dot operator. So we call this as A and B, and we know that only for this particular value, that is when 1 and 1 is 1. Okay, that is here. Okay, I can just mark it here and show you. When for an AND gate, when both the conditions are true, we get the result as true. For the rest of the conditions, we get it as 0. Okay, and for an OR gate, what happens is only when it is 0 and 0, it is 0. For the rest of the conditions, we get the value as 1. So once you are clear about the basic gates, we can do the we can prove the De Morgan's theorem. So here, if you observe, I have written the first theorem. Okay, the question may come for 3 marks like this: state and prove De Morgan's first theorem using the truth table. So once this question comes, you have to first write this: x plus y the whole complement is equal to x complement and y complement. And you can see here I have divided this into 7 columns. Okay, so I'll tell you why I have done that. And then after that, I have also numbered these columns so that it is easy for us to say that these two columns are equal, so the theorem is proved. So here I am having like this. Okay, so I write x and y, and we know that x is going to take the value 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So this is the combination. Some of my students remember like this as x as 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1. Either way, you can write it. After that, we are going to have the complement here: x complement, y complement. So I'm going to write the x complement, y complement. What is x complement, y complement? The opposite of x and y. So here it is 0, it is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. And now we are asking the y complement. So you have to come to the second column. So here what is y? 1, 1, it is 0, 0, it is 1, it is 1, it is 0. So just the reverse of what you have written. After this, we have to have x plus y. Okay, so because we want this x plus y complement, so I write x plus y. So I told you here in my OR gate, if you observe, a plus b I have given here. So here in the OR gate, only for 0, 0 it is 0. For the rest of the values, it is going to be 1. So you can just see here, okay, for x or y where 0, 0 is there. So here you have 0, 0. For the rest of the values, you mark it as 1. And what is x plus y? The complement. Complement will be always the ulta, or the reverse of what we have written here. So here it is 0. So this will be 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then we have to do an AND operation between these two. That is the third and the fourth column. So x complement and y complement. Now again we are having the basic gates here. So in the basic gates, if you see, only for 0 0 it is 0, for for 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 it is 0, and 1 0 it is 0. Only for 1 and 1 it is going to be 1. So here also we just need to observe where 1 and 1 is there. So you have 1 and 1 here, 1 and 1. So here you put 1, 1 0 it is 0, 0 1 it is 0, and 0 0 0. So if you see this particular table, if you observe, we need x plus y complement. We have written this, and we have written x complement and y complement. So if you see these two columns, you see these two values, both these values are similar. So you can say according to the column 6 is equal to column 7, hence first theorem is proved. So this is all. Okay, if it comes for 3 marks, and sometimes in 5 marks they don't exactly specify whether it's a truth table or not, please don't leave the answers and come attempt it. Okay, if you, in case you're not able to do algebraically, you practice both the ways, practice algebraically as well as the truth table. But some of you may find algebraically a little tough. That time do this. Okay, you may or may not get marks depending on the scheme of evaluation, but learn both the ways. Okay, now we are seeing the De Morgan's second theorem. So the second theorem states that x dot y the whole complement is equal to x complement plus y complement. So here now I think it is more easy. So we write x y, and then we write the x complement, y complement. Then we want x and y, and then we want x and y the whole complement, and x complement plus y complement. Now as I told, some students write like this. They write like this 0 0 1 1, and from here they start with 0 1 0 1. Now this is the opposite of this, the same thing what we did earlier. So this will be 0 0, and for 0 1, for 1 0, for 0 1, and for 1 0. Now again we are having the AND operation between x and y. So I told you, for AND operation what do we have? For 0 0 it is going to be 0, 0 1 it will be 0, 1 0 it will be 0, and 1 and 1 1. Only for this, when both the values are true, it is going to give you this answer as 1. Okay, so here what is happening? We have tried the complement of this. So this will be 1 1 1 and 0. Now if you observe these two columns, because we want x complement and y complement, but we have to do an OR operation. In an OR operation, only when it is 0 0 it is going to be 0. Whenever 1 is there in an OR, you have to remember we have to put the 1. So if you observe these two columns, that is these two columns, x and y the complement, and x complement plus y complement, it is very evident that okay, both these values are same. So here also you can say that column 6 is equal to column 7, hence second theorem is proved. So this is all about the truth table. It is very simple. Just practice it and you will easily get the marks. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe. Thank you.